Malik Wellington scored a brace as Stets Elites got the better of Petersfield FC 2-1 as action continued in the JFF Championship at the Stets High School ground. Wellington got his first goal converting from the penalty spot in the 6th minute. He then returned for his and the team's second in the 72nd minute. Kirk Lawrence netted for Petersfield in a second half stoppage time.
Well, as you know, these boys play all the way come to the tier 2 and, they are here performing. As I could see today, we use our 15-year-old goalkeeper because I want to gain experience, and I think these games can really push us to reach our best when the time is right for us.
True Juice and Medforest could not break each other down as both teams played out a 0-0 draw at Dintle Technical. Medforest played majority of the game with 10 men as DeAndre Walker was given marching orders in the 36th minute.
I must commend the defensive work today. We did not concede, which is a plus. We would have loved to have scored because they were down to 10 men from in the 35th minute. And I thought that we have enough quality to have capitalized on one of the few chances that we have created. Nonetheless, we did not create as many chances as we should have, given that we had a numerical advantage.
We have to just lift right after the Medforest players, going down 10 men early in the game. We have to just readjust the system that we use. And it worked dividend, we get a point, so we have to be grateful on the road.
In the days of the games, Batista Lions got their first win in 3 outings as they clipped Progressive FC 2-1. Led by a hat-trick from Tevin Cheese, JDF dispatched of Grades in 5-0. Soccer Club Brownstown blanked Wi-Fi United 3-0 while Reno defeated Holland PYC 2-0. Roaring River were 2-1 winners over Falmouth, who had 3 players and an executive red-carded, while Nathaniel Henry scored all goals in Hubman Lions' 3-0 win over St. Bess. Right then, we take a halftime break and come back with lots more. Stay tuned.